Hello and welcome back to Alyena's kitchen, where today we're going to be making an apple pie smoothie. If you love apple pie, you came to the right place because we're going to be making a healthy smoothie version of it. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to be starting with today is my ice. So I have about a half a cup of ice. Nice and loud and clanky. And then I also have just one apple. You're going to want to be using a sweeter apple. So today I'm using a gala apple. I said apple a lot already, haven't I? To this I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of walnuts, 2 tablespoons of old-fashioned oats, 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds or whole flax seeds. Today I'm just using it whole. It's up to you on this one. And then also half a teaspoon of cinnamon as well as a pinch of nutmeg. Stuck. And then also to add that sweetness, you can either use some stevia, some agave, but I'm actually using 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. And last but not least, my milk. Today I'm using a vanilla unsweetened almond milk, but you can really use any milk of your choice. But I will say using a vanilla almond milk does add a really nice flavor to this smoothie. And that's all there is to it. Now all we have to do is blend it together. I could already start smelling all that cinnamon before I even stop blending it. It smells so good. I will say it smells like quite a fresh apple pie. Ooh, how did I do that? If I don't spill at least once in a video, I know something's wrong, is what I've realized. So now that I've tidied up my mess a little bit, I can drink my smoothie. Well, I've actually already had a little bit of it, if I'm being completely honest. So good. It does taste like apple pie in a glass. So full of cinnamon, that hint of nutmeg in there. It's delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try it out and have some apple pie memories flashing at you while you drink it. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. I love hearing what you guys think. I read everyone and I make sure to comment back. It's very important to me, so let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.